Hello, we are Jeju.
And Flora from High School STUCO Weekly Announcements.
Tickets are now on sale for Urinetown, the musical. You can buy your tickets on April 10th, 12th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, and 20th in the high school cafeteria and April 11th and 13th in the middle school cafeteria.
Students taking AP exams in May will need to get a head start bubbling in some basic information for the AP folks during the next week's grade level pre-registration sessions. How should you prepare? Be sure that you know your home address and your full name that is used on your passport. More details to follow in the DeskCon next week.
The Spring Book Fair will be happening next week, Thursday 19th of April and Friday 20th of April in ESPAC. Make sure you bring your money and your enthusiasm.
A special welcome to KISJ to Mr. Fulton, who will be taking Mrs. Patterson's English classes to the end of the year. Mr. Fulton is a very experienced educator, and we are glad to have him with us in quarter 4. If you see him around KISJ, please make him feel welcome by saying hello.
Thank you for all those students who have helped make the library a more conducive place for learning at lunchtimes. Having less noise is making it easier for people to focus and get their work done. Also, thank you to those of you who are using your lockers or taking your bags with you to lunch.
The High School Strings Spring Concert will be held on Wednesday, April 18th in the Mini PAC at 7 o'clock p.m. Don't miss this fine group, which will feature works by Mozart, Copland, Coldplay, and some small chamber ensembles.
Congratulations to all the KISJ soccer players who competed against teams from Hong Kong and Beijing this weekend. They played in the rain, they played in the snow, they played in the wind, and maybe a little bit of sun. The experience will certainly give the soccer teams a leg up on the competition heading to KISJ in 2 weeks.
Students from all 3 divisions, elementary school, middle school, and high school, all participated in a swim meet at Chadwick on Saturday. As well as being great role models to the younger students, all of the swimmers put in 100% of their efforts. Congratulations to the high school boys who are the overall winners in their division. Okay. Good.